Welcome to Coin Files. So today's video is about top 6 sites to learn Excel. Excel is quite useful, one of the perhaps most fundamental Microsoft applications. So number one is Microsoft Excel Help Center. So this website has multiple comprehensive guides, troubleshooting tips, tutorials, and frequently asked questions, aka FAQs. Number two is Excel Exposure. So Excel Exposure has free and paid courses on Excel, which range from beginner to advanced levels, and it focuses mainly on Excel training through courses. Number three is Chandoo. It's quite a unique blog that offers training resources and focuses on helping users to become proficient in Excel. Chandoo's main focus is Excel tips and advanced techniques. Number four is Excel Central, which provides free tutorials, often step-by-step lessons and videos on Excel functions, data management, and formulas, which make it easy for you to learn at your own speed. Number five is Contextures. Contextures specializes in advanced Excel techniques, including the Visual Basic for applications, that's the VBA, or automation, among others. So if you are a beginner, these Contextures, I won't recommend Contextures for you, but if you are an advanced user, even an intermediate user, this is a must visit website for you to sharpen your skills and become proficient in Excel. Number six is Mr. Excel. Mr. Excel is a website that focuses on three things. That's Excel tips, Excel tricks, and Excel troubleshooting. So this was quite a short video. I'm sure I've seen several websites on the same, but these are my favorite. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel, and if you found this video useful, please like it, share with your family and friends, and if you have questions or you have other websites that you feel can be added to these lists, please leave them in the comment section and we'll be very appreciative. Thank you. See you in the next video.